Morning, guys. This is day 3 of classroom setup. I just walked in and I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. But the cool thing is I came in and my backpack storage is in. So that's awesome. Happy about that. The only thing is that I didn't want it right there. I want it a little bit further down, but it's here now. It's screwed into the wall. So there's no need to stress about it. It's just, oh God, we'll figure it out. We will figure it out like we always do. Um, so this is the classroom, and it's a hot mess. So the first thing I want to do is get my classroom library together. So I need to move all this stuff out the way, move it out, and get into these bins, move these chairs. Sorry. Also, they came into my room and they put this tape right here because I don't want anything there, which I need to talk to someone and get a little bit more clarification about because that's my library area. So I don't know what to do about that hard corner. They've placed that tape there for. This stuff right here is still stuff I want to give away to another teacher. So I need to move this out. But right now, all I'm going to do is just move this stuff out the way so I can get in there. And also, I purchased, ouch, Jesus, stuff everywhere. It's a very unsafe environment right now. Oh, I purchased this thicker board from Home Depot for my cheap little bookcases. Let me show you. I'm walking all around the room, y'all. These cheap bookcases from Walmart. So I'm going to try to fix those and make them a little bit sturdier because they've been through it. All right, so I'm just going to put you down and I have to get to work. I have so much to do. Yeah, all right. It's almost 2:30 at this point, and I've been working ever since. So I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look like I did much, but it's an organized mess in my brain because I know where I'm putting things at. So let me just show you around. I've been working on my library. So I have them categorized here by levels, and I have them broken up into literary and informational. I need to get some more bins for the informational text. And these bins right here were the ones that were left, and they are pretty colors, but they are they're very, very flimsy. So I might keep some, but a lot of them I'll probably put on the table to give away. So I have my bookcases right here. I'm gonna move it over a little bit, add some more bins right here. Some nice little spider living in there, great. The rugs on the floor, hot mess. I have my table still, trash. I have to organize this. I don't even want to come over here because that's what looks a hot mess. I put my other bookcase over here by the technology area. I have 4 desktops. And I have this bookcase right here. I want to use this bookcase as like a center area. So I have their stuff they need for their centers right here. I put a couple of the books over here, the QRS, because based off of the information I've gotten, these books are a little bit out of their reach right now at the beginning of the school year, but we'll get there. I've been kind of digging through this pile a little bit, but I wanted to put that table, because all the tables you see are leaving. It just look a hot mess. I wanted to put this table towards the wall, but there's a cockroach the size of my hand, and I decided to just let him live there for a little bit. I'm not gonna upset him. He's perfectly fine until I get some help with that young man. But I think I'm gonna just combine these days, because it really wasn't much to look at right now, because it's just so much sorting and organizing and digging through stuff, and it's just a lot of that. And I know that those are the fun videos that we like to watch. We like to watch the decorating videos, and I promise those will come, but I just have to get certain things organized first before I get there, because it doesn't make sense to have a pretty room if you don't know where things at. Kids can't access books when they want to. That is the priority. So, and then I just have to figure out where they want me to put this extra stuff that I just can't keep in my room. So I'm gonna send an email. I'm gonna text some of the ladies here to come get some stuff. If not, I'm just gonna put it where I can until somebody tell me otherwise. So I'm out. Signing out. Oh. I'm exhausted. I just can't wait until all this stuff is just straightened out. I don't know. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please comment and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll also subscribe, because I promise you I have some more teacher vlogs coming up. There'll be more videos for us decorating and some things with my lesson. I am a 3rd grade English and language arts teacher at a Title I school. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe so you can be up on when I post videos. All right, guys.